Repeat each sentence twice. Repeat out loud. What are you doing?
I am washing vegetables.
I am washing vegetables. What are you doing?
I am peeling potatoes.
I'm peeling potatoes. What are you doing?
I'm cutting an onion.
I'm cutting an onion. What are you doing?
I am slicing carrots.
I'm slicing carrots. What are you doing?
I am chopping garlic.
I'm chopping garlic. What are you doing?
I am mincing garlic.
I'm mincing garlic. What are you doing?
I'm dicing tomatoes.
I am dicing tomatoes. What are you doing?
I am grating cheese.
I'm grating cheese. What are you doing?
I'm cracking eggs.
I am cracking eggs. What are you doing?
I am beating eggs.
I am beating eggs. What are you doing?
I am whisking eggs.
I am whisking eggs. What are you doing?
I am mixing ingredients.
I am mixing ingredients. What are you doing?
I am stirring the soup.
I am stirring the soup. What are you doing?
I am adding salt.
I'm adding salt. What are you doing?
I am adding sugar.
I'm adding sugar. What are you doing?
I'm boiling water.
I am boiling water. What are you doing?
I am heating the pan.
I am heating the pan. What are you doing?
I'm putting oil in the pan.
I'm putting oil in the pan. What are you doing?
I am frying eggs.
I am frying eggs. What are you doing?
I'm frying chicken.
I am frying chicken. What are you doing?
I'm grilling meat.
I am grilling meat. What are you doing?
I am steaming dumplings.
I am steaming dumplings. What are you doing?
I am boiling noodles.
I am boiling noodles. What are you doing?
I am flipping pancakes.
I am flipping pancakes. What are you doing?
I am opening the fridge.
I am opening the fridge. What are you doing?
I am scooping rice.
I am scooping rice. What are you doing?
I am ladling soup into a bowl.
I am ladling soup into a bowl. What are you doing?
I am opening the oven.
I am opening the oven. What are you doing?
I am closing the oven.
I am closing the oven. What are you doing?
I'm taking food out.
I am taking food out. What are you doing?
I'm placing food on a plate.
I am placing food on a plate. What are you doing?
I am garnishing the dish.
I am garnishing the dish. What are you doing?
I am sprinkling herbs.
I am sprinkling herbs. What are you doing?
I am squeezing lemon.
I am squeezing lemon. What are you doing?
I am melting butter.
I am melting butter. What are you doing?
I am kneading dough.
I am kneading dough. What are you doing?
I am rolling dough.
I am rolling dough. What are you doing?
I am slicing bread.
I am slicing bread. What are you doing?
I am toasting bread.
I am toasting bread. What are you doing?
I am spreading jam.
I am spreading jam. What are you doing?
I am making a sandwich.
I'm making a sandwich. What are you doing?
I am tossing the salad.
I am tossing the salad. What are you doing?
I am plating the food.
I am plating the food. What are you doing?
I am cutting the cake.
I'm cutting the cake. What are you doing?
I am eating meal.
I am eating meal. What are you doing?
I am wiping the table.
I am wiping the table. What are you doing?
I am washing dishes.
I am washing dishes. What are you doing?
I am rinsing dishes.
I am rinsing dishes. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning the sink.
I am cleaning the sink. What are you doing?
I am drying dishes.
I am drying dishes. What are you doing?
I'm putting dishes away.
I am putting dishes away. What are you doing?
I am taking out the trash.
I'm taking out the trash.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.